Yeah, so I am so happy right now because I received a plant that I've been wanting for such a very long time. This plant, I was not even gonna make a video on it, but you know what? It really deserves a little video on it. It's a plant. It's a Monstera. It's not a Thai constellation. It's not the Rapidora Tetris part. No, it's just a Monstera, and it is the special Monstera, or the it's a new Monstera on the market. It's called the Peruvian Monstera, and I'll show you guys a little close up of that plant right now. It just looks, the reason why I love this plant so much is because it looks like a reptile. Like the leaves, the pattern of the leaves looks like a, like it just looks like a such a, like a reptile. Like the even the texture of it is like bumpy and scaly, and it's such a deep green color on the leaves. The leaves are huge, and this one vines. So I purchased this plant because I wanted to vine all over my living room, but I just want you guys to appreciate the pattern, the texture, the color of the leaf. It's so amazing. I am the leaves are not 100% healthy, but as you can see right here, but it's such a nice plant. I'm just so in love. This is the little plant, like I said. It's a very little plant, and the leaf, this leaf is pretty much, it arrived dead. I'm just so happy with my plant, guys. I am thrilled. I just wanted to make this little quick video, like I said, on the plant because it really deserves its own little video here on my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see how I take care of this plant and how it grows. I'm also gonna do some updates here on my YouTube channel, but I'm so glad to have this plant finally. It was like on my wish list, so now I have it, and I'm so happy. I will plant it on a nice planter and give it some nice water, a good draining of water because it needs it. But yeah, I just wanted to make a video, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.